Alright, so like, the guy at work got a tattoo. It's not quite this, but it means 3,858 magnets. It also means 7,716 magnets. If you can figure out why, I'll owe you a Coke. Okay, it's called the Helm of Awe. It's from Norse mythology. That's how old it is. Norse mythology, you know? Norse mythology for smart people. Because it means cellular energy. Okay? The 3,000, you gotta look at the 9 quadrant, okay? You gotta look at balance. Balance is unification between a 0 and a 1. It's a circled 0 and 1, depicting 110. Because you are containing the infinite nothing in a cell. Okay? Now, look at the 9 quadrant, which is balance between duality, 1s and 0s. What do you have? You have 1, 2, 3 axes. You have your x-axis, your y-axis, and your z-axis. You have 3 different 9x9 matrices, overleafed. The biggest Roman numeral that it makes is the letter M. M is on the bottom of the stairway to heaven. M is Roman numeral for 1,000. 3,000. 800 comes from the fact that the next plane, so you have 3 planes and then 1 plane. You have, look at the outside of the symbol, it's a C. C is Roman numeral for 100. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. 3,800 in Roman numerals. Now the C's do not have the singularity connecting them to this, okay? They are the plane above. Now we're gonna find 58. We're gonna look at everything now, okay? So 58, it takes 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line, 5 line, 6 line, 7 lines, and you have 8 of them. 7 times 8 is 56, so you have to account for the nothing and the infinite. The depiction itself and the singularity which it spawns from is created from a heaven, guys. 56 plus 2 is 58. This is a symbol depicting 3,858 magnets required in a cellular energy device. It also depicts 7,716 magnets needed for 2 cellular energy devices because you have to contain both a black hole and a white hole to understand the balance or the unification between 1s and 0s, black and white, infinite and nothing. Okay? Now the 7,000, okay? If you have an M, an M, and an M, different M's, 3 different M's, and at the bottom of the stairway to heaven is an M. But on my matrix, there are 4 of them. Okay, there's an M and then like 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Those are the other 4 for 7,000. 7,000. Where's your 700? Okay. Your 700 comes from, think Kevin, it was... Oh yeah, this. How many lines does it take? 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line, 5 line, 6 lines, 7 lines. 7C. Okay? If your lower dimension is 7, and the one above it is C, that to me is a clever way of saying 700. 7 C's. So your 7,700, where's your 16? Look at the 9 quadrant. How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? 7,716 magnets are required to build 2 cellular energy devices, one to contain a black hole, one to contain a white hole. To contain a white hole, you have to have all the magnets, polarities, be one way, and the black hole the other way. Now, if you were sending all of the positive inward, I'm assuming that you would be making a white hole? And if you send all the negatives inward? No, wait, you gotta, no, wait, it's all about negatives. If you send the negatives inward, all your negatives are gonna combine to make a positive, right? So that would be a black hole. And if you're sending all your positives in, you'll be making a big 1, a negative.
A very serious vacuum.
So anyways, the Helm of Awe. Norse mythology for smart people. I didn't make this. I just interpreted it. You know, like... You know? How old is this? You tell me. I know it's in everything, all the time. Helm of Awe. Yeah, people get this tattooed on their bodies, guy. You know, it's cool and everything, but like they just don't understand what it means. You don't. Until now.